Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I am doing a product review. Now if you're interested in finding out about this product, you know what to do, guys. Stick around. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please feel free to click that red subscribe button you see down below. And after that, a bell will appear. Click that bell and you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also, if you're an oldie but a goodie, you guys know you have my heart. And thank you for coming back for watching one more video. Now, on to it. Now, I was sent this item here. And I'm going to give you a close-up. It's some earbuds. And if I'm not chopping up this name, it's Zeakco True Wireless Earbuds. Okay, they asked me to do a review on their product, and I've been trying it out now for a couple of weeks to see if I liked it, you know, driving in the car, taking phone calls, doing all the other different kind of stuff to do to test it out. Now, it comes in this pretty box. It comes with an instruction manual. And it comes with the replacement earbud tabs. Now, here's a little box it comes in. Isn't that cute? And then you open it up here on the front. And what I like about it, it has how much percentage of charge you have left on this case. Now, right now, when the door is shut on it, the charge shows through. See? It's at 57% for this case. But on the earbuds, it'll also show you how much they are charged. So that's one thing I like about this case. Now, once you open the lid, it automatically connects to your phone. So you don't have to worry about holding it and pushing it. Once you program it, it stays programmed. And you don't have to hold it to make it connect and all that different stuff for some of the other ones that do. But I really like this product, guys. I like that it only comes in black, though. I wish it came in I wish it came like in gold or silver or even a pink, because you know it's just like a little shiny pink. But it comes in this sleek black little case, and I really like it. It fits really snug in your ear. And it stays, it doesn't fall out. It's just really, really nice. Nice fit. Clear to the hearing. It cuts out the background noise. And you hear your phone conversation very, very clearly. And like now, it's connected to my phone now. So it's recording the voice that I'm saying now for this video. Now, I've had it about a month or so, I think. And the cost of it, guys, is $49.99. Now, it's an Amazon-based company, so what I will do is I will put their link to this earbuds. I will put their link in the description box below so that you can look for them if you're interested. And if you go by, guys, tell them that Stephanie sent you. If you like my content, guys, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And also, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed here on the screen. And also down below in the description box. And as always, this is Stephanie saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.